You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly, the name of this fabric or yarn. If you want to learn more names from French, stay tuned, more pronunciations video coming up. Chenille, that's your English pronunciation here. It comes from the French word for caterpillar, chenille, chenille, that's English. Ch, because it's French, the CH is pronounced sh, not ch. Chenille, chenille, stress on the second syllable again, because it's from French. Chenille, how to pronounce, English pronunciation, chenille. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.